Good morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Mate X6 and let me show you how to activate keypad sounds. So at first open the settings, then find and select sounds and vibration, scroll down, mark more settings, and here you will notice keypad tones, mark it, and as you can see you've got two options here, the default sound, let me show you. So that's the default sound, we all know it, and if you wish to apply melody, just pick melody, and then it sounds like, not here, here, it sounds like this. So this is it, you can apply it, you can mute it, pick the preferred option. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.